Hey everybody, welcome back to Elevate with Enbody. I'm your host, Tim Enbody. Today, I got some good stuff for you. We're going to talk about content and how we can repurpose it. We want to work smarter, not harder. So with this, it's what can we do to take this and make it spread? So far we've focused on how to be the authority figure, how to network, how to build relationships. So today we're going to talk about a little bit deeper. We're going to get into how to show you how to take your one actionable item that you created and how to turn it into multiple different impact pieces and how to repurpose those and put them across different platforms so you can have more success. So with that, you're already creating this content. By working smarter, not harder, the goal is simply taking that one piece and spreading it and getting more feedback. And with that feedback, creating more relationship and creating the relationships, hopefully creating more clients for life. So here's your reality to this. Most people create content once and then it dies. They just create it and then it falls off the planet Earth and it's just done. That's wasted effort. Take that, and I'm going to show you how to take that piece and turn it into a post. Maybe it's a video, into another idea, into a short. We're going to get it. Maybe it's a blog post, and we're going to put it across 3, 4, 5 different platforms, and hopefully engaging with more people by maximizing your reach. Why repurposing matters. Honestly, the biggest thing for me is it saves me time. So even if I have 10 really cool ideas that I think is great, so here I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way down. With that, I want to increase my visibility. So if I can do one post and get 7 items out of it, if I have 10 ideas, I'm going to get 70 different concepts. The math's kind of easy. Bear with me. This is all about reinforcing your authority, right? So by being authentic and reinforcing, we're working smarter. By taking one piece and working it down with multiple different angles, we're going to be able to push and gather and bring in more with that reach. I can reach further. It's like the alligator when we're going to pay the checks. You got that one reach and you just do it and use it one way. We're going to reach out further and we're going to touch more people in your audience. So we can do this multiple different ways. And one of the ways that we're going to get into right now is going to be building that consistency to maintain your focus and prevent burnout. So here's a couple of the key pieces. Content repurposing across at least 3 different platforms. It actually can increase. This is awesome. It increases your engagement by not 1, not 2, but up to 3 times more. And by using the video piece of this, it can have up to a 10x factor. Guys, I don't want to have to beg you to be successful, but I feel like I'm begging you right now. 10x. So we're going to edit these clips. We're going to create stories, different posts. We're going to put them across the different platforms. We're going to take these things. We're going to create these actionable repurposed pieces so we can have these different strategies. So here's one. Long form content. We're going to take a long term and turn it into micro. We'll take a 10-minute podcast. We'll turn it into 3 to 5 different shorts. We'll create 5 quotes. We could take that and push it over into a blog summary. We could take that and cross that platform into a LinkedIn professional insight. Then we can take a step back. And now we're working with Instagram. We're going to work with TikTok. We're going to get in, like I talked about before, 86 million people on Pinterest are still going to figure out what to do on Pinterest and put something on Pinterest. And now we're just transforming that format from video to blog to newsletter into infographic into a carousel post. All I'm doing is figuring out ways to engage and iterate my purpose. I want to bring it back in. I'm going to repurpose those pieces and get the most engagement I possibly can. And then when I see which ones are starting to work, I have that 3 to 10x factor. I'm going to double down. I'm going to push it down even more, and I'm going to do more of that content. I'm going to create big habits so I can have big wins. So I want you to do this. Set aside 1 hour per week. I want you to plan out your content. Then figure out the ways so you're going to repurpose that content. Keep it in your content bank if you want. You're going to have clips. You're going to create images. You're going to figure out ways to reuse these over time. And with that, don't overthink it. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Perfection will come, right? But progress is what we need. The consistency is what's going to win over time. So here's my mini challenge for all of you. I'm crossing my hands and I'm begging. Take one piece and create this week. And I would take that one piece and turn it into 3. Just If I give you $1 and you give me back 3, you're going to do that a lot, right? Take that 1, turn it into 3. And then here's what we can do. We can take that whole repurposing process. We're going to repurpose it. You're going to see that you're everywhere without having to do everything. And isn't that kind of the concept of social media? I can have up to 7 different platforms and I can be everywhere by doing one thing. So let it work for you. Work smart. Don't work so hard. And just keep in mind, we're just jabbing, right? We're just throwing some jabs, and then we're going to come in with a hook. So help, ask. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Be smart about it and focus on the skills at hand of what got you to this position. Begin with. It's because you have built the authority. You are trustworthy. You are bringing something that everybody wants. Until next time, guys, keep elevating your business and your brand.